In this video, I'll explain how to remove the first element of a JavaScript array. In JavaScript, the shift method removes the first element of an array and returns that element. Here I have an array with 6 elements. The first element is the letter A. So if I call the shift method on that array, it should remove the first element, which is the letter A, and return it. Let's give it a try. So first I'll define this array, and I now have an array called foo that has 6 elements, and the first element is the letter A. So now if I call the shift method on this array, it should remove the first element, which is the letter A, and it should return that element. So return the letter A, and if I examine the array, we can see that it did remove the first element, which is the letter A. So if I call the shift method again, it returns the letter B, and I can see that if I examine foo, the letter B is missing, and the letter C is now the first element, and there's only 4 elements in the array. So if I call shift one more time, it removed the first element, which is the letter C, and if I examine foo, I can see it only has 3 elements because the first element of C was removed. The first element is D. So in JavaScript, the shift method always removes the first element of an array, and it returns the element that it removed. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the red subscribe button right under the video. Thanks very much for watching.